Hey guys, I hope you got to see our live stream yesterday from the Rochester Air Show. It was fantastic with the Italian team Frecce Tricolori performing their 10-jet show. What an experience. You can find that video on our Airshow Team TV YouTube channel, and I will put the link right up here for you, or right up there, one of those spots. But one of my favorite things to do after an air show is to come over to some of the local places you can visit, some of the nearby attractions. And guess what's just only an hour and a half away from the Rochester Air Show is Niagara Falls. So look at this incredible spectacle we have behind us today. It is just amazing. So explore Niagara Falls with me and let's take a look.
Nice.